Today I'm here in Plant City, Florida, and I'm visiting Catamount Machine Works. Great Mastercam customer doing some amazing work utilizing all facets of the Mastercam software suite. Hey Chris.
Jesse, good to see you.
So Catamount Machine Works, an awesome facility you've got here.
Thank you.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit about Catamount.
Catamount Machine Works started a little over 20 years ago. I acquired the business just over 5 years ago. But we have a lot of process here. Yeah, it took quite some time to do there. You know, we moved from a paper environment to a paperless environment. We've got everything in the shop pretty much has got a label on it. So if you need to know where something is, you can.
So you said you acquired this business 5 years ago. You weren't really in manufacturing before that, right?
Not much. No, certainly not in CNC. Yeah, I mean, if we go back farther, I don't have quite the typical career path for machine shop owners. I was a professional musician for about 10 years. I also was a certified public school educator. What I saw was a business that had, once again, a great reputation, but not a lot of technology. And so I saw an opportunity to bring in technology, to bring in new systems, to make it more efficient. With the help of a great team and great partners like Mastercam, been able to get to the right products, learn a lot about this industry, and build a successful company.
So one thing I couldn't help but notice walking in here is your quality banner and kind of your three main principles that guide Catamount. I was wondering if you could speak to those a little bit. We
are AS9100 certified and have a robust quality statement. However, we have a truncated one that's a little simplified. It's got 3 points on it. 1, make good parts. 2, the customer's king, and 3, get better and better. We're making things where lives can depend on it, and making good parts is critical. And if we can't make good parts, we wouldn't be in business. 2, the customer's king, right? It's about we're here because of our customers and satisfy their needs and accommodate however we can and get their parts on time with 100% quality. And then the third is get better and better. And that's something that we embrace here every day. We're very much a team atmosphere here. We train each other, we cross-train each other, we try new things. We come together to work on projects because 2 heads are better than 1 and 3's better than that.
I noticed make good parts is the title statement there. I feel like you probably can't do that without Mastercam.
The company has had Mastercam, I believe, since 2012.
There's a dynamic toolpath from Mastercam running in the background here.
Absolutely, all day, every day.
And
we are now on Mastercam 2026, and we've got it for mill, lathe, wire EDM. You know, it's such a reliable system. It's compliant with our CMMC framework for cybersecurity. Because it's such a reliable and established product, we can count on it developing what we need to make. Over the last 2-3 years as well, Mastercam keeps introducing new features that we're finding very beneficial and make life a little easier.
And like we talked about, the customer is king. We feel the same way. I mean, that's why we're here talking to you. From the cam side of things, have you ever evaluated another product or done anything from that regard?
You know, I mentioned we had X9, and I was looking at upgrading on Mastercam, and I was looking at the cost of it, and some of the team members at the time had been recommending that I consider another product. And I looked at the cost of it, sounded, you know, I knew there'd be some training, some adjustment, thought it'd be okay. Went with that product for a while. It was actually not what I had anticipated. The product was ever evolving, and it led to some instability, unpredictability. Plus, it also made it more difficult to train because you'd go to training resources, videos online, etc., and the information would be dated. Having a low entry cost point, but it wound up costing us a lot of money throughout that 1.5 or 2 years. And so that's when I said, you know what, we're going to be moving to AS9100. We need a product that's compliant. That one wasn't. And I took another look at Mastercam and upgraded, and I said, yeah, this is the way to go. We discussed it amongst the team and decided it was the way to go and haven't looked back.
We've kind of talked about how Mastercam is integrated from the business side. I'd love to see it from a technical side, and I know you've got your head programmer here today, even though a lot of times he's actually working remotely.
Yes, that's right. Because we are CMMC compliant, he dials in from over on the Space Coast to do our programming. We actually have 4 programmers here, and they're all very good, but that individual's name is Tristan. He's up front. Want to take a walk? Go meet him?
Let's go meet him.
All right, great.
Hey, Tristan.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how about you?
Good, good. So what are you making?
I believe this is the throttle body for a customer right now.
Really neat. So how long have you been using Mastercam personally?
I believe I've just hit my 10-year mark. I think I started in 2015 with Mastercam 2015. Okay. So I started using Mastercam around the time that dynamic milling came around, high-speed machining. So that was always a tool that I use. It's still a tool that I use every day to this day.
Right.
And you guys recently added that you can add a contour pass after a dynamic mill to finish the walls or whatever you're milling out. And that kind of reduces the number of overall tool passes.
Right, instead of running that separate contour operation, it's all in one.
Yeah, most jobs have 5 or 6 dynamic milling passes in them, so then you double that, now you're at 10, 12 if you include a contour pass, but now it's all kind of reduced into one.
Yeah, that's a new feature we have in Mastercam 2026. I've been hearing a lot of great things about it. I'm glad you're able to utilize it. So have you always worked with Catamount, or?
I actually started up in Chicago, Illinois. I took a couple of Mastercam classes through, I believe it was Shopware, and I kind of started my passion for machining right there.
So Mastercam is kind of, you're down in Florida now, so Mastercam has kind of followed you along as a career path. You can work anywhere now.
Honestly, like when I was looking for jobs, the search title I put in there was Mastercam, and this was one of the jobs that came up and I interviewed for. So,
you know, you can't put parts out the door if they're not good parts. Do you feel like Mastercam helps you get there?
Yeah, especially with like the compare feature that you can do within the, the verify. You can compare, what you've programmed as long as your tools are selected as you program them. You can tell if it's going to be within 2 thou, 3 thou, or whatever it may be of what the actual model that you programmed off of is.
And you guys, being down here in Florida, you've got local support here as well, right? So if you run into a roadblock, you've got someone to call.
Actually, we got Robert Rainbow's number right here on the bottom of the monitor. Whenever we got problems, we'll call Robert up and he'll give us the answers, or if he doesn't have them on hand, he'll call us back with within due time.
So are you actually machining this throttle body now, or?
Yeah, it's actually in the second shop, all the way in the back on Z3 back there.
Okay. Can we take a look at it?
Yeah, we can go ahead and take a look right now.
Let's go. So this is where the rubber meets the road.
Yep, this is the project we were just looking at on the computer. We're just kind of proving it out right now, but you can always trust that what you saw in Verify and Mastercam is going to translate well to the machine.
Yeah, I mean, if you can write all the Mastercam programs you want, but if they don't translate to good, solid G code, it's worthless, right?
Yeah, and that, like I said, the Verify feature always gives you that peace of mind that what you've done in there is going to happen exactly that way out here.
Yeah. I was seeing the stock, so you must be utilizing stock models for this as well.
Yeah, so this was a turn part. You're actually looking at Operation 3 is complete here. So it was a turn part, Op 1, Op 2, now we're at Op 3, and it goes into 5-axis for Op 4 here. And using the stock model kind of really reduces the machining time because you can tell it how much you've cut off already. Right. And the tool paths will, reflect that. They won't cut air, they won't do anything crazy.
Keeping things as efficient as possible.
Yeah, you know as well as I do that time is money. So.
Right, yeah, no, it's great project, great part. Tristan, it's really great to see you guys utilizing Mastercam, all the latest features, staying up to date, and getting the most out of your Haas CNCs here with 5-axis rotaries on them. The automation we see here, really an impressive operation you guys have.
Appreciate that, thank you.
Well, I'll let you get back to work. I'm gonna go back and see Chris.
All right,
See you later.
Nice talking to you.
Chris, I just had a great conversation with Tristan about your Mastercam utilization out on the shop floor. But then I come over here to your quality control and you've got Mastercam up on your CMM.
We do. So we have Mastercam, and inside of Mastercam we have VeriSurf. I'm actually looking at a report right now of data for this part. So we can do inspection 2 ways with Mastercam. We program it in the front office, send it to the machine. The machine's running the Mastercam file to make the part. Then it runs the VeriSurf file to make the inspection, sends it back up with the data for the report. And then we can come And that's all in machine, comparing it to the CAD model. To make sure that it's doing it accurately, we also like to bring it up here and do a validation with the CMM using Verisur as well. Assuming everything aligns, we can continue to run those parts and let the probing routines continue just from the machine.
And you've got a really unified experience here, right? Because you're not going with a different software for your quality control, for your inspection. It's Mastercam.
That was part of the strategy when designing the way in which we operate. Standardization, which drives efficiency, productivity, allows you to pivot very quickly. So we've got all Haas machines, all Mastercam programming, so the guys can move from one machine to the next using the same tools.
Yeah.
And then for inspection, they can come in, they already know how to use the Mastercam, they could use the Verisur, and once again, it's a standardization. So we're not spending a lot of time having to do training as compared to using other systems. And we can, once again, pivot to work on, well, we got a rush job here. We need to move it. We don't have that machine available. We got to move it to the other machine. And we can easily pivot like that. And that's what having these unified platforms help.
Really a testament to the work you guys have done. And I really enjoyed my visit here.
Well, really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Very kind
Yeah.
and great to have you here.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.